Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have again with us our special friend.
Hi everyone, I'm Callan.
So what are we making today?
Today we are making a Feed Your Friends game. So it's really fun. You can take something and you feed your friends. Oh, right away. A little bit difficult.
And is yours a shark?
It is. Mine is a shark.
Nice. Great.
It looks like fun.
Yes. So first, I just wanted to lead us all in what I like to call an eating breath. So you take a deep breath in, and then as you're going out, you move your mouth as if you're chewing on something. So
Okay.
just like that.
Okay.
So a deep breath in, and then out and chew. Awesome. Just one more time. Deep breath in and chew.
Nice. Thank you. My animal just ate quite a lot of food. So what
Now I'm
supplies
hungry.
I know I'm hungry too. What supplies do we need today, Callan?
We need a paper plate, markers or crayons, a small ball, popsicle stick, and tape or glue.
Okay. So what's the first step?
First step is to take your paper plate and you want to cut a hole in it. I pre-cut my hole because I was having difficulties with it, but it can help if you cut the plate in half and remember, or you bend the plate in half. And remember with this step, if you're having difficulty using scissors, don't be afraid to ask a friend around you for help.
Okay. I already drew my animal on here, so now I'm gonna cut the mouth second.
Okay.
I pre-cut a mouth too, and I decided I'm gonna do kind of like an emoji face.
Ooh.
Yeah,
And
really, any animal or anything will work. I'm doing a dog, so.
Yep. With the mouth, just remember to make it big enough to use so that whatever you're using can fall through. So I'm using a quarter for it, so I have to make sure that the mouth is big enough that a quarter can go through the hole.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we can draw whatever, like I can start drawing my face.
Yes, and then you can go wild with it. Draw whatever you'd like.
All right, so I'm going to be using a pom-pom for mine. So it seems like it's probably not quite big enough because I think it's going to want to.
Unless you had one of those tiny pom-poms.
No, so I'll make it a little bit bigger.
I'm going to use, I have a marble, and then I also have a penny to try.
Oh, good.
That's a good idea.
So I pre-cut a piece of white paper and just taped it to the bottom of my plate and then pre-cut the dog, but now I'm going to actually color in the dog.
Okay.
I'm going to see if, let's see, I don't know if, I'm going to try to color this all in yellow quickly, or at least part of it to be like an emoji.
Good. That's a cute idea. And so it's a fun game because you can just play by yourself and see how long it takes you. You could say in 10 seconds, how many times can I get it into the hole?
Right, exactly.
Do we do this part first before we attach the popsicle stick in the back?
Yes.
Okay.
How's your dog coming, Gail?
Well, one might say it looks a little like a mouse. I guess it could be anything, but I think, does it look like a dog?
It looks like a dog.
Of course.
Thank you. I do have a dog joke.
Okay, what is it?
Well, what is a dog's favorite food?
What is a dog's favorite food?
I'm gonna tell you. Pasta.
Wait, say it again.
Well, it's pasta, but it's pasta.
Oh,
That's very funny.
Thank you. The delivery wasn't so good, but you get it.
I needed help getting that one.
No, Peggy. Uh,
Here, is this starting to look a little bit like an emoji?
oh, that is
Emoji.
so cute.
Mhm.
All right, so what do we do next, Kellen?
And then once you have your drawing with its mouth and your friend, you're going to take a popsicle stick, or it could be any stick. I'm actually using a plastic knife because I don't have any popsicle sticks.
I'm using a dowel, a piece of wood.
And I have a popsicle stick.
Okay. So then you just flip it over and you tape it on the back right under the hole. Or you can also use glue.
Okay.
Ta-da! Now you have it on your game on a stick.
Nice.
Wait, try this.
Oh, it's hard. Oh, because mine's
What's that?
pretty wobbly. I think I have to attach the.
All right, I'm gonna try the marble. Oh, this is fun.
I know, it's challenging. I like it. You almost got it, Peggy.
I know you have to like get it to go really slow with the marble because it's, oh, I got it.
Okay, got it in the mouth. Still has to be a bigger hole, but I can still keep trying. And
I'm
see.
gonna try with the penny.
With the coins, it's a little easier because they're so heavy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but my dog, oh, look how happy he is. He got his food again.
I got the penny.
Super
I
fun.
like this. It's fun because then we can, like you said, you can do it by yourself or you can do it as a race with friends or
Yes,
Really
your own-
fun. Thank you for showing us that.
of course.
Yeah, it was
And
fun.
if you'd like to see some of our other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Right, have fun.
Bye.